Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is I'm registering to vote. To say that in Navajo, you say Atdish al Biniiyé Hatdishle Atdish al Biniiyé Hatdishle. Atdish al means I'm going to vote. Biniiyé, for that reason. Hatdishle, I'm filling it out, meaning a form. If I'm filling out a paper form, I'd say nalsos hadishle. If I'm not saying what I'm filling out, I say hadishle. That glottal stop is very important. To say you register to vote, I'd say di'al biniye hadile. Di'al biniye hadile. If I'm saying Thai is registering to vote, I'd say Thai ado'al biniye hadile. Thai ado'al biniye hadile. To use this word in a sentence, you can say Ranje. So sigo yolkal kone akete hadajdale iinil biniye Ranje. So sigo yolkal kone akete hadajdale iinil biniye, which means October 7th is the last day to register to vote. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Atdish al Biniiyé Hatdishle. I'm registering to vote. Have a nice day. Dijon na ne adoahya.